Okay, and here it's like, since the water analogy enabled us to do rivers like flowing up and down, water can't flow on a completely flat surface. It will just stay in the same spot. Water can't flow in a flat surface. It will just stay in the completely same spot. Water can't flow in a flat surface. It will just stay in the completely same spot. So, it would just constantly be the same, constantly be the same, constantly be the same. It's not increasing or decreasing. It's just always at the same level, same level, same level. So y is the same. Y is the same. Y is the same. C stands for constant. C stands for constant. C stands for constant. Constant, constant, constant. I'm putting this towards the end of the tutorial, so you should know that C means this is going to be the same number, same number, same number forever. So y, the C in this particular one in between 3 and 4 is 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. So y would be a constant C, y would be a constant C, y would be a constant C. The water level will be a constant 3.5. Water level would be a constant 3.5. Water level would be a constant 3.5. The water level would never flow down. Water level would never flow down. Water level would never flow down. And the water level would never flow up. And the water level would never flow up. And the water level would never flow up. And this, obviously, it will flow down forever, down forever, down forever, and it will flow up forever, up forever, up forever. Alright, and that's the analogy on range. Alright, so let's just start with an example. Graph the function f of x equals x squared minus 5. F of x equals x squared minus 5, x squared minus 5, x squared minus 5, using the given values of x. Also use the graph to determine the domain and range of the function. Alright, x equals negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, find at least 4 ordered pair solutions. Find at least 4 ordered pair solutions. Find at least 4 ordered pair solutions. Alright, so this is the whole process of that. When I go through this whole thing, I'll just skim through it so it's easier to memorize. Alright, I'm going to use the chart to organize my information. The chart keeps track of the x values that you are using and the corresponding y value found when you use the particular x value. We will use the 7 values of x that were given to find corresponding functional values to give us some ordered pair solutions. Keep in mind that the functional value that we find correlates with the second or y value of our ordered pair. Alright, we're going to go over that later. Alright, so basically we want to find the value, so we're just going to use the formula, and plug up all these numbers for x. Plug up all these numbers for x, plug up all these numbers for x, plug up all these numbers for x. This is all x, this is all x, this is all x. We're just going to put this in here, put this in here, put this in here. And this is the same as this, this is the same as this, this is the same as this. So we're just going to put all the x values in here, x values in here, x values in here. F of x is just the formal part, and this is the actual formula we're actually going to do, the formula we're actually going to do, the formula we're actually going to do. But you always have to put the formal part, you always have to put the formal part, you always have to put the formal part to make everything easier and understandable. Alright, so, okay, alright, x, y equals f of x equals x squared minus 5, parentheses x, parentheses. Alright, so this is the formality, the formula. And this is the plot points. The points we're using. So in the first one, 3 is going to go in here, 3 is going to go in here, 3 is going to go in here. Same right here, 2 is going to go in here, 2 is going to go in here, 2 is going to go in here. 1's going to go in here, 1's going to go in here, 1's going to go in here. And this is the sample. This is the actual laboratory, where we're going to do the formula stuff. Alright, so plug in negative 3 into here, and negative 3 will go into here, formal, and then negative 3 will go into here, lab. Alright, so with the lab, negative 3 squared minus 5 equals blah, 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 blah. Negative 3 squared is 9, negative 3 squared is 9, negative 3 squared is 9, carry over the negative 5, carry over the negative 5, carry over the negative 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4. So now, y is 4, y is 4, y is 4. And this is how we find y. We use negative 3 to 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 find y. And I'm going to end the video right here.